na nitarudi hapa tena kwa shughuli ya watu wa Mombasa. Bado tuko na kazi ingine kule ya shipping line ndio tunataka kwenda kufanya, lakini nitarudi hapa tena. Na wapenda sana na watakia baraka ya Mungu. Congratulations good people for this great facility, and as I have said, Ambassador, you have our goodwill, you have our support. Thank you very much for the support we have received from our brothers and sisters from Japan in the development of the port of Mombasa. We are truly, truly grateful. We are looking forward, God willing, shortly to come and discuss the gate, the Mombasa gate. Is it called the Mombasa Gateway Bridge? We are looking forward to having a conversation because it is a good piece of infrastructure that we want to be part of the signature of Mombasa City. Asante sana na mbarikiwe kila siku. Thank you.
Your Excellency, sir, with your permission, if you can just